Welcome back to RAMS CAD YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to make a battery box which contains a box and a cover on it, and we'll assemble those two parts together. So first we'll make a part. We'll choose the face, draw the bottom. I suppose my bottom is around 200 mm by 200 mm. Let's make it 250 mm. We'll go to sheet metal, select the sheet thickness. It's 1.2. Bend reduction will be 1.2 into 1.8. Oops. Now I'll make the side bends. So we have the option of selecting the base flange together, but here we have to make 3 bends at the same time. So we'll choose the milter flange. So for milter flange, we'll make the sketch for milter. The bend will be like this, this and this. I'm going to select the size. The size of the first bend should be 150 mm. Second bend should be 4 mm. The third bend should be 20 mm. Let's make it 18 mm. So we have made the sketch for the bends. Now I'll go to milter flange, select the edge. So the first edge is selected. I'll have to select the other edges. Alright, we'll select the gap between the flanges. If you want to increase it, you can make it 1 mm or 2 mm or 3 mm, however you want it. If you want the minimum gap, you can take it 0.1 mm. We'll select the bend reduction. So as you can see, we got the bends in the same, all 3 bends, this 1, 2 and 3 bend, all are in the same tree. So a box is done. We'll save this box. We'll save it as box. The size was 200 by 250. Now I'll make the cover. Again we'll select the cover size. It will be 200 again and 250. Just select the sheet thickness, give the bend. In this part we just need 1 bend on all flanges. Reduce the bend reduction. Bend will be 20 mm. Bend reduction is okay. We'll name it cover. Close it. We'll assemble these 2 parts together. So as you know, the box is 200 by 250 and the cover is also 200 by 250 We'll just assemble it according to this size. This face will be with this face will be with this, and there will be a 0.5 of gap between these faces. It's actually a tolerance. So we have assembled the box together with the cover. If you want to see the cross-section view of the assembly, you can click here and see the section. Everything is good. It's not coinciding here nor here. These are actually few tolerances we have to give because of the welding and powder coating. So the last step is we have to give the holes for mounting both together. So I'll select this face, make some holes on the box and cover. I gave a hole. I'll give 3 holes here on this face. From here it will be 30 From this side also this will be 30 I need a hole of suppose 6 and from top it will be 10 I'll give hole, we'll go to assembly, give cut extrude through all, right? And one more thing you have to keep in mind, that whenever you are giving hole or any kind of cut in the assembly and you want that hole to be on this cover also and this box also, then you'll have to select this thing in this picture. You'll have to select all component. If there are few more component in the box, you don't want to give hole in that component, you'll have to select the component, select component and propagate features to the part. In this case we don't have anything in the box. I'll select all component and propagate features to the part, so that this feature, that means this cut extrude, will propagate to the box and cover both. So I'll select OK. You can check we got the hole on both the box and the cover. And if you want to see that whether it is done in the part as well, you can open the part. So yes, we got hole in the part, and in the box, yes, we got the hole in the box as well. So we got 6 holes here. I'll give 2 more holes here. Make a linear pattern. $50 from this side and $50 from the other side. 10 from the top, and the dia will be 6 Again, I'll go to assembly and cut the hole through all component and propagate features to part. So as you can see, we got the holes on the part as well as the assembly. If you see here, you cannot make any changes in the part from here, right? Because you didn't make the holes in the part, you made the holes in the assembly, right? So if you want to change anything like the diameter or the distance between them, you have to go to the assembly and then you can change it. If you want to make changes here, you have to right click on this feature, make this independent. That means if you make any changes in the assembly, that will not hamper the part in the part drawing. In that case only you'll have to make this independent. If everything is good, you don't want to make any changes in the part only, and you want to make things good in the assembly, you can change here only. So as you can see, the box and the cover is done, assembly is done, it's fixed, and your box and cover is fit exactly the way it should be. See, there are gap also in the box and cover, so that will be a good fit after manufacturing. Thank you for joining the video. Stay tuned for next part.